Alright, welcome back everyone to the second video of this tutorial. So in this part we are going to be installing all the tools we are needing. So the first thing we need is a code editor, which is, in this video we are going to be using Visual Studio Code. So to get it now, we need to head over to this site. So we need to head over to our web browser and then go to the search bar and then just type VS Code download. So you can see here on my screen VS Code download, then click on enter. Then you should see this link, so click on download Visual Studio Code Mac, Linux. So just click on it, then should be taken to this site. Make sure you are on this site, visualstudio.com/download. so make sure that you are on this site that is here. Okay, so we need to come down here, scroll down, you see download Visual Studio Code, free and built on open source, integrated gates, debugging and extensions. Alright, so Visual Studio is an amazing code editor. It allows you to also add some extensions to your code, which makes your code easier and faster. Alright, so we have for Windows, we have for Debian, Ubuntu, Red Hat. This is for Linux operating system, Windows operating system, and Mac operating system. So you need to select the one you are using. So for me, I'm using this Windows operating system, so I'm going to select Windows. So click on it for it to download. So immediately you see it downloading on down here. So you see that times for downloading VS Code for your Windows. So download not started. So if it has not started, make sure that you click on this direct download link to start downloading. So alright, so make sure it downloads, then we can start installing it. Alright, so if it has successfully downloaded, head over to your, so you should see it here. You can just directly click on it here, or just go to your file explorer, then go to your download folder. Yes, so you should see it here, VS Code user setup. So it depends on what you are using. So you see, for mine it's S2464 rather. So click on it now to download it. So click on OK. So it's telling me that I currently have an instance on my system, so I have a Visual Studio Code on my system. So just follow the instruction to download yours. So I already have it on my system, so I can't install it again, but you just click on it and then install it. Since you are installing it for the first time, click on it and then follow the instructions given and install it on your system. Alright, so that is for the VS Code now. So the other things we need is okay, to make this video very easy, I have set up a starter file. So I have my starter file which shows, so I have my starter file which shows the list of words, okay, which we are going to be using to build this tutorial. So just go to the description of this video, or just check the link. The starter file that is included is this in the list of the video, and you will see this starter file is there. So click on it, so download it on your system. Then you should be seeing assets, index, and v.vs code. So this one we do actually need it, so you can delete it. So for this one, change the name to my portfolio. So and mind you, I'm going to do this all over again so that you can understand what it is. But let me just show you how it works. So that in this index.html now, I have included all the things we need, just like I included comments, not much, just the comments, and also in this assets. So we have this boss icon, which is the icon we are going to be using for the link. We have the CSS folder, so this is CSS folder, this is the link, the CSS file we are using. So we have this image folder, which include all the images we are going to be using for this portfolio. And mind you, I wanted to use your own images, so make sure you are using your own images for this. So this is just mine that you can make use of. So we have these extra icons. So we have this home page, home pics. This is home pics. We have the portfolio, images and also the services images. So I have grouped them instead of them being in the same. So I have this GS folder which only have the script.gs file. Alright, so this is just the starter files that will make it easier for you, but I want to start this from scratch. So create your own assets folder. And also, alright, so let me just show you how to do all those ones. So before then, let's go. I want to show you how to install the status file. So in case you are doing it, so to install the let's show you how to install the boss icon which you saw in the folder. So just head over to your web browser and then just type boss icon. Then you should see this link. So the first scroll down, you see this link here. So boss icon premium icon free for so just click on it and then this link will open. Then click on download version 2.1. So when you click on it, a new link is going to open for you. So coming down here, you see this page now. So come to the right side and then you see this one, boss icon, $0. Okay, mind it is free. It's totally free. So you're not going to pay any money. So just type 0 here. Since I not pay any money, if you want to pay money, you can just type the amount you want to pay. But for me, I'm not paying any money right now. So anytime in the future I may pay money, but for right now I'm not paying any money. So just click on version 2.1.2 and then click on I want this. So it might require you to type your name there. So just type your Gmail there, your email address. So I'm just going to type my email address there. Alright, so I will click on get. So clicking on get now, it will show you this. So create an account. You're not creating an account, so just click on view content. Then it takes you to this page. You can see this page. So when you get to this page now, just click on download. Alright, so you should see it downloaded in your folder, on your desktop rather. So when I head over to my downloads folder, I will see it here in a zip file. So next thing I need to do is to unzip it. So I will right click on it, then unzip it. So right click. Right now I'm using WinRAR to extract it. So just whatever you are using to extract yours. So you can also download WinRAR. So just go to your website and just type download WinRAR there. So you should see a link to download WinRAR. So I will extract it. I'll then extract it here. So just click on extract here. Alright, so it's done extracting. I can see what we have here. So I have it extracted already. So alright, so next thing I need to do after extracting it, I need to head over to my there's it here. Alright, so I need to head over to my new folder. So I want to do it again so that I can see the way I'm going to be creating this folder. So just right click on your browser, then click on new file, new folder, then just type my portfolio there. Alright, so this is the folder I'm going to be using for creating the website. So just like the status file. So go to your download folder and then what I need to do, go and copy it, then go paste it inside your desktop, then go look into my folder, my portfolio folder, and then paste it there. Alright, so while it is copying, I'm going to be creating other folders I need for this video. So you can see in the starter folder we have assets. So now I put everything inside assets instead of having them just stack, having everything inside this my portfolio. So I have everything inside my assets folder. So what I'm going to be doing now is to right click and then create a new folder and then name it assets. So I'm going to name it assets, so which is going to be alright. So I've just come here, right click and then cut, then I will cut the box icon, then go paste it inside my assets folder, just like this. Alright, the next thing I need to do is to start creating, but for me to start creating this now, to make it easier, okay, let's even just do it here. So I'm going to head over to my assets folder. So it's like a subfolder inside this. You can see the way it is now: desktop, my portfolio, assets. Then you can see here. So I will head over here, then right click. So make sure that you're inside this assets folder to create this folder I want to create now. So right click and then create an images folder. So I right click again, new folder, I'll create a CSS folder. Also right click and then new, and then create a JavaScript folder, so JS folder. So now these are the folders we need. So here now I want you to include all the images you want, just like the way I named this here. So here I will go to my assets in the starter file, images. Then you can see, so can create 4 folders to create extra icon. So include all these icons. Go and download these icons here. So create another folder which is home page. So put the images you want to use for your images here. Create a folder for it. Name it home page. Now all the portfolio, maybe I've done some projects earlier, so go and screenshot the video. Go and screenshot the project and then bring it, create a folder for it, name it portfolio inside these images, and then create then services. So you can go and copy these icons or go online to go and download these images I have here, then paste them, then create a folder for them, and then name the folder services. But anyways, you can also use all my images. You can use my images, it's free, so just use my images in the assets. Alright, so that is all for now. So the next video we start building the project. Thanks and bye for now.